some more. Add some more.
So isn't this good? So I'm sitting in the middle. I've got Leisha next to me. I can see Boone at the end. How are you, Boone?
Here.
Yeah, Phinia, I can see Phinia down there. Can everybody hear me?
Yay, I'm
There is,
alone. I don't need 5% anymore.
Yes.
There is Kun Big. Oh, Kun Big is
I want to hit you.
squashing
to
the
hit you.
teacher. I have to shrink myself. I'm too big. Maybe I have to move back a little bit from my camera. There we go. Okay, so we'll wait a few minutes, guys, for everybody to come in. So why don't we, firstly, before we start off, let's talk about what everybody's been doing for the last few days. So we share some stories. So let's start with at the end of the classroom that we have there, Boone. Boone, what have you been doing this morning? What time did you wake up? What did you have for breakfast?
Don't know.
9:30.
9:30.
You woke up at 9:30.
Also quite big now.
And now I am eating.
Okay, so that's good. So you woke up at 9:30 and now you're eating. What are you having? What are you having to eat?
Rice
I
with
didn't
pork.
eat anything.
Rice with pork, yummy.
Ah,
Okay, now how about Paul? What time did you wake up?
7 o'clock.
Okay, so Paul woke up at 7 o'clock. And what did you have for your breakfast?
Rice and fried egg and seaweed.
Oh, yummy. Okay, so rice, fried egg, and some seaweed. Very cool. Phinia, how about you? What time did you get up today and what did you do for your breakfast?
got up when the class started. I wake up always in 10 nowadays because yesterday I did 2 SAMs of Singaporean math. I did 2 Singaporean math and that was so tiring, so I slept immediately. I didn't eat anything yet, but I'm still very bored because I cannot do any of my sports because my injury is still not complete. I have.
Oh, okay, so your injury's not healed yet. So Phinia just woke up. She had a late night doing her Singaporean maths. And okay, thanks, Phinia. So we'll talk later about your injury. Let's go to Noah. Noah, can you hear me? So we've got Noah, we've got Crowd. And let's go to Chris. Chris, what time did you wake up today? And what time did you wake up and what did you have for your breakfast?
Rice.
Rice.
Okay, rice, yes.
Rice porridge.
Oh, yum. Okay, some fried rice. Sorry, some rice porridge. Now, I just bought.
Joke is mean joke.
Jock. Okay. Now, I just bought some. I bought this yesterday to send to my friend in Australia. Who knows what this is? Oh.
Yeah, same thing. Canoe. This morning we have this one, but you are pork or chicken? Pork or chicken?
I only know
Yeah, this one. This one is pork.
Very good, you know.
Yeah, no, very good. This one is pork.
I know
with,
that one, but I
pork with jasmine rice.
just forgot what is this name?
Now this one actually, we'll see if I can keep it on the screen. There it is. So, oh, same one. So my daughter enjoys to eat this, and I have a friend in Japan who asked me to buy this for them, and I'm going to send it to them today.
Yummy.
You can
Yeah,
sell.
so I'm gonna send.
Oh, Japan.
I've got.
You first said Australia. You first said Australia. Now you're saying Japan.
Yeah, actually, my friend is in Japan, and they've asked me to buy some jasmine rice juk or rice porridge and send to them. And they've also asked me to send one other thing. Do you want to see what else I'm sending to my friend in Japan?
Oh. Yes. So what?
Okay. So something that I don't eat too much. Can everybody see this one? Does anybody eat this before?
Cake? Is it cake?
It's yummy.
Yeah, who can see what this is? And I'm not too sure what the Thai word is for this one.
More bigger. You can show screen more bigger.
Okay, I'll try to put it on my head so it stays. Can everybody see that?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So what is that?
It looks like meat or something. At least I know it's I think it's some sweets.
That's close, Finia. So, Kunbig, can you tell what is this one?
I cannot see. What is it?
Hello.
So this one is tamarind. Tamarind.
Oh, tamarind.
Oh, I see. Oh,
Yeah.
it's fruit.
Tamarind.
It's
มะขามหวานมะขามหวานลูก
Makam one.
มะขามหวาน
Okay, so sweet tamarind.
Come from Phetchabun.
Phetchabun. Okay.
I made ice cream this night. I made ice cream this night, and today we'll have dessert, ice cream dessert.
Oh, yummy. You made some homemade ice cream?
Yes, we just need to put milk. I didn't really have these hindleberries, but I used the hindleberry cream from from a jar what I normally put bread. I mix the milk and the hindleberry cream together, and then I put some
Very yummy. I've never made ice cream before.
I made
I can
cake
see
and baked
Crystal. Good morning, Crystal. How are you?
I'm good.
Great. I can see Crystal. I'm just trying to get everybody's names here. I can see. Let's see who else is here in the classroom today.
Please share.
Now I can see a Roblox character. Who is the Roblox character in our classroom? He's got blonde hair, blue and white shoes. Who's
Chen,
that?
I always want Chen.
Oh, that's Chen. Is that you, Chen?
Yes, that is Chen.
Good morning, Chen. Okay, I like your Roblox avatar. Okay, so my daughter's been making her own avatar recently.
The avatar is Lisha.
Leisha. Now, where is Leisha sitting? I saw her before.
Lisha, can you open?
Lisha is sitting in Noah's place.
So Leisha is sitting next to Boon.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, good morning, Leisha. I can see you.
Lisha is sitting on Noah's place.
Oh, okay. Thank you. That got me confused. So Leisha is sitting in Noah's seat. And Noah is Leisha's brother. Leisha, is that your brother?
No. He just don't show the video. Noah is
Oh,
Noah.
yep. Okay, understand. So,
Look,
yep. So I can
ลุก
see.
ลิชาวิตตี้เปิดกล้องด้วยครับ ลุกลิชาวิตตี้เปิดกล้องด้วย
ลิต้าล่ะคะ
There is
Okay, see, this two is sister.
Oh, yep. Okay, so we've got Lisha and Noah.
No, those.
Now, who is the older sister? Who's the big sister and who is the little
I
sister?
guess Lisha. I guess Lisha is the older sister.
Lisha is the older sister.
จะมีก่อนแป๊บนึง
Yeah, that's right.
นิด
Lita
นึง
is
เดี๋ยวเขาไปผิดประตูก่อน
Okay, excellent. Now, last week, what did we talk about? Last week we talked about. Let's go back and just have a look what we talked about last week. I think we were talking about
volcano
Yeah, that's right. Volcanoes. Who can remember some facts about volcanoes?
volcano
Let's
Volcanoes
look.
have
real
lava
marshmallow
inside. I grilled marshmallows and they came ugly.
Okay, so let's just have a quick look what we did last week with our volcanoes. So let me just share my screen so I can get everybody to remember what we did.
So big.
Okay, so can everybody see that on my screen?
yes
All right, so we wrote down some information about volcanoes. So
Lava
the first one,
extremely hot, full of poisonous gases. It melts everything it touches, creates and makes fire. When lava becomes cold, it turns to rock or stone. Lava stones are used to make decorations like statues or tombstones. Tamu Massif, the most massive volcano.
okay, the most massive volcano. What's another word for massive? Extremely, that's close. So massive just means, I'll put it here, which is basically large or even very large. Okay, now, can anybody add something to this list? What else do you know about volcanoes that we missed? What else can we say about volcanoes?
Oh, example, the one
magma
example, the one like Mount Fuji. The Mount Fuji one cannot explode anymore because it's I think it's older or something.
Yeah, very good, Phineas. So there are
magma
volcanoes. There's
lava is a magma
very good, Paul. You said magma. Okay, so let's just quickly note down those two because they're good points. So Paul said magma. Oh, my text is invisible here. Hold on. There we go. Okay, so who knows what magma is that Paul mentioned? Magma. Okay, I'll put that in red here. Paul, what is magma?
it's a lava it's a lava is the
lava if it's still inside.
yes,
Actually, because this is a word.
It's magma is when it's still inside.
Okay, so magma is when it's still inside the volcano.
Still inside the atmosphere. Still inside.
Let's have a look quickly because I need to know a little bit more about magma is what Paul mentioned. So let's have a look at magma lava. Okay, so recently there was some volcano eruptions in Hawaii.
Hawaii, I know.
volcano
So we'll just put down a few interesting words here that I want you guys to understand the meaning of them. So this one here is what Phinia was talking about, dormant. Dormant means a volcano that has basically died, a volcano that's not active. And like Mount Fuji, Phinia used an example, that is a dormant volcano. So dormant means volcano that is not active or cannot, what am I going to type here? Cannot EX.
Salute or something. I remember it in Mickey class. Mickey taught us, but I forgot again because
Who can guess the word I'm going to type here? So dormant, volcano that is not active or cannot. What am I going to type?
Volcano active.
Yeah, it's not active. So that's a dormant volcano. And it's not going to explode.
Oh, explode. That's another name for it, but there was something with E and the C.
Yes, I think, yep, you're right, Finny. I think we could use another word, cannot explode or erupt.
Erupt. Yes.
Okay, so dormant, volcano that's not active, that cannot explode or erupt. So it's a safe volcano.
Thai is Volcano2.
Yeah, okay. So Thailand may have some dormant volcanoes. Let's list out some volcanoes that have basically died.
Most of the Thai volcanoes have died already, I guess.
Yeah, let's find out where they were. Does anybody know where a volcano may have been in Thailand?
Who knows?
Okay, that's one for us to research. Before we go ahead, let's go to, what does magma mean?
Magma is found beneath the surface of the earth, and evidence of magmatism has also been discovered on other terrestrial. There's some words I don't really know.
Yeah, that's okay. So
evidence. Oh, evidence.
we're just going to take the first part here because it gets a little bit complicated, a little bit of complicated science wording. So we'll just put here for what magma is. Magma is found beneath the surface of the earth. So it may not even be part of a volcano, but it's like
very hot.
Super, yes, super hot.
Yes, and the volcano takes the magma for the explosion.
So here we have, it's like a solid rock.
Solid rock.
Mixture of minerals and gases.
Oh, carbonated. That reminds me of that rock I found in Germany. It has a gold. It was gold and black spotted, and my cousin brother said, not cousin brother, just a cousin. My cousin said Turpy found the golden rock, but normally I found that Turpy is the pet of Gavin.
Okay.
It's alpha beaver.
Okay, well done, Phineas. So Are there any other words that I can mention here about anything to do with volcanoes? What else can anybody share? Something else. So we've got magma. We've got the word dormant. And what else? What's one other fact about a volcano?
Magma
we
is
missed?
mineral. Magma is mineral.
Ah, sorry, Chris, that was minerals.
Yes, magma
Okay,
is
very good.
mineral.
Very good. So let's just get that word down that Chris mentioned. What color can we put minerals?
Minerals are
about-
mostly
Dark green,
clear.
dark green, dark green.
Dark green?
Dark green,
Dark
okay.
green. Dark green. Dark green.
Dark green for minerals. Okay, so
Magma is some kind of mineral, but it's
so
a hard.
minerals. So inside the magna, we would have minerals and gases. So let's just quickly go to just get the definition of a volcano mineral. Because minerals actually are good for our human body as well. Natural materials and minerals like magnesium, potassium, which is like salt. All those things are classified as minerals. A mineral.
Reta. Reta.
Which one was that, Paul?
Mineral. Mineral.
Minerals. So let's just go and put this one down in our fact sheet.
Reta.
Minerals. A mineral is a solid material which naturally occurs on Earth.
Reta.
Now, minerals, for example, who knows, who can give me some minerals that our human body needs to be healthy?
Or something.
Well, let's have a look at minerals.
Lemon. Lemon has minerals, what we can use or something.
Let's do a search here. We're going to do minerals in food. Okay, so here are some examples. Calcium,
Phosphorus. Yes,
phosphorus,
photosynthesis.
calcium, potassium, sodium, iodine, iron, magnesium. So Chris, really good mentioning the word minerals. Let's just understand, where do we get these minerals if we're going to eat them in our diets? What mineral can we find in what minerals? Let's go through the first one. Let's put down a really important one.
Vegetable. Vegetable.
Yeah, vegetables. So
Chocolate and milk.
let's go down here. So let's say calcium.
Calcium.
The calcium mineral.
Phosphorus.
Cowboy.
Where are we going to get calcium from?
Calcium and cowboy.
Milk.
Milk.
Yeah,
Milk.
milk,
Give me milk.
milk, cheese.
Yes, cheese. Milk, cheese. Cheese is made from milk.
So that's the main one. Calcium comes from dairy products. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to
Egg.
egg
Calcium.
for calcium.
Eggshells.
Egg.
Eggshells also have calcium. Eggshells and the egg inside also has calcium.
Yeah, let's have a look at what minerals can we get out of eggs? Minerals in eggs. Okay. Oh wow. So look at, I think minerals, eggs have got a lot of minerals. Look at this. So in an egg,
eggs
we've
have
got
a lot of minerals. A lot.
let's have a look here. So in an egg, we've got potassium, we've got phosphorus, and we've got sodium. So that's why everybody says eggs are so healthy for you.
Eggs has almost everything.
So eggs.
Oh.
Okay, so eggs, we're going to get everything. We're going to get potassium,
Ouch.
phosphorus, and
Sorry.
sodium.
Sorry.
So that's interesting. So when lava and magma comes out of a volcano, it gives out all these minerals as well. So it's doing a lot more than just burning the earth. It's actually putting all the minerals in the earth as well. I'm just going to make this bold. Okay, so let's go. We've got calcium. And we'll do one last one. Let's do potassium. Where can we find potassium, do you think? Potassium. Who knows? Where do we get our potassium? I know potassium is good for potatoes. Food with...
Wow, look at those beautiful gemstones eggs.
Oh, they do look lovely. Okay, so potassium, mushrooms, bananas, spinach, potatoes.
Everything.
I made spinach salad before, and it was very tasty. It was salty. It was just a little bit sweet because the leaves and the others were still very yummy.
Okay, yes, spinach can be quite nice if you mix it with some maybe cream or cheese or
Yes,
salt.
I mixed it with cream and a little bit salt, and I made potato cream and meat with it, and it was
Oh, yum.
very full. It was very full.
Okay, so look, that's good. So we've added a few more facts there to our volcano fact list. So magma, we've got the word dormant, we've got minerals. So let's just quickly go now and have a look at an active volcano. So the opposite to dormant would be active. Okay, so an active volcano is opposite to dormant. In other words, dormant, it's not working. So for active, I think we need to make that a red color.
Can you do the underline like dormant?
Yeah, like that. Perfect. So then I'm going to copy. I'm going to copy this out because it's very similar. The only thing we change is that we get rid of the word not. So let's reword this sentence.
But get out of the word not.
Okay. So the volcano that is active, we change cannot to can. Volcano that is active and can explode or erupt at any, what am I going to write here? Starts with T.
Time or moment. Moment
Good,
is
very good. So a volcano that is active or can explode or erupt at any time, or, and what you said, Phinia, that's a good one, or
moment.
At any moment.
Okay.
So that's the difference between dormant and active. One can explode at any time or any moment. And the dormant one, volcano that is not active or cannot explode or erupt. And we're going to change this one to put ever again.
Ouch.
And that's ever. So once it's dormant, that's it. It's finished. The volcano will never be able to have lava or magma.
It's blood. It's bleeding again. It was just so good dry, but now I hit the table and it's just bleeding again.
So Phinia, would you like to share with everybody what happened to your injury? What did you do to yourself?
It's not much to tell. I just got with the bicycle 30 kilometers to the airport. Then I ride the BMX and it started. And then there was one rock, it was very slippery. And then I just had one move because the BMX bike can turn 180 degrees. It can turn like whole circle it can turn, and then I slipped. Now when I slipped, I got one here one here.
Oh, so you fell off your bike?
I got here one, and here one.
Okay, thank you, Phineas. So hopefully you recover very fast.
I hope to sooner or later I will have my gymnastic competition and I must be fit to then. I didn't practice much in this month, so I will when I finish when I recover I need to practice a lot.
Okay, yeah, that's a good idea. My daughter Adele just fell off her skateboard last week. It was only a little fall, but she scraped her knee and elbow. So she had
he scraped two elbows, one scratching the other one, and one bruise on my.
Yeah, so my daughter, she fell off her skateboard and she had a scrape. She scraped her knee. Let's have a look if we can see the word. Yeah, so she had something like this.
Oh, that's what I also have.
She scraped her knee on the ground.
No, but I had a bigger one, and
I had a bigger one too.
Okay, it's very common. Yeah, this is
used
very
to
common in kids
Right,
when they fall
I
over you.
got a big scratch.
I had
What
the
else?
one like right there. I had the one like right there. I'll show you. I'll try to animate.
Okay. Yeah, so
Oh,
she scraped her knee and it was okay now. We just put some betadine and some Band-Aids on and she was pretty much fine after that, and she had to learn to be much more careful when she was riding her skateboard.
Mom said I should also be more careful with the BMX bike, mostly when it turns 100 degrees. But I was very careful already. It was like this strain and bump, 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 bump. And the last one also said, "Yoo-hoo! That was so fun." And then somehow I didn't see in the road anymore, and then I slipped.
Okay, fantastic. That's good your mum gave you that advice, Phinia. Now, guys, we're going to move on to looking at an active volcano. So one of the most recent volcano eruptions was in Hawaii. Does anybody know where Hawaii is? Has anybody been on holiday to Hawaii before?
I've been to Pattaya, I've been to Chiang Mai, and I've been to Germany, but I didn't go
But
to
not Hawaii. Who can tell me where is Hawaii? Boone?
Hawaii.
Do you know
Hawaii
where Hawaii is?
Hawaii is the Pacific
America.
Ocean. Hawaii is the Pacific
Hawaii
Ocean.
is in the United States.
Oh, well done, Ken. So
This one, Hawaii is the.
so we got some good answers there, actually. So Chan's correct.
It's an island.
It is in the United
island.
States. It is in the United States. Let's
No, not Shen.
and Paul, it is in the Pacific Ocean. So let's just have a good look. I mean, Hawaii is very beautiful. You see its landscape is
It's really big.
So this is basically
It's
like
very small.
Hawaii.
It's
Hawaii
big,
looks like this, and they also have.
But I thought
Yeah.
I thought it has more black sand because so many volcanoes
People
erupt.
dump trash in the sea.
Oh, a lot of trash in the sea there. Oh yeah, because it's in the Pacific Ocean.
I think I used to play in the ocean in Thai, and I play in the ocean and see
That reminds me
trash,
of
and I didn't keep it, but I get that trash away and run away
Oh, that's good.
because
Okay,
it's dirty.
So as Paul was saying, this map is quite small.
but
Let's
the
see.
real thing is
Actually, I have a map.
Oh, you've got a map? Okay, so we'll just have a,
I got the
so
map.
everybody knows exactly the location of Hawaii. And
Got
let's
the map
have a look
too.
at one of the more famous volcanoes.
In the Pacific Ocean.
In the Pacific Ocean, yeah, in the, I think they would call it the North Pacific Ocean.
Are there two Pacific Ocean now?
Atlantic.
So there is basically where it's located.
There's the USA and
So there is the USA. It actually is quite far from the USA. It's over here in the Pacific Ocean. So it's in the middle of the USA. And on the other side here is Australia. Okay, so let's what we're going to do, we're talking about Hawaii mainly because we're going to list out one of the active volcanoes. So let's just
Hawaii is so small.
What was that? What was that, Paul?
I am Boone. I didn't.
Oh, sorry, Boone. What did you say?
I say Hawaii is so small.
Oh, very small. Yeah, correct. And it's got some of the best beaches.
it's very
Volcano.
It's got some of the biggest.
Volcano.
Some of the biggest. Hawaii's got some of the biggest
Volcano.
biggest surfing waves.
Volcano.
Okay, so what we're going to do? We're going to look at.
I wanted to talk.
Go
Hawaii is
ahead.
probably very small, but if you want to walk through Hawaii, it's gonna take a lot of kilometers.
Yeah, Hawaii is there's a lot of different islands. So there's maybe like, yeah, there's a lot of islands. I don't know exactly how much, maybe 10
Islands
or 20.
remind me of dinosaur.
So guys, we're just going to have a quick look at this volcano eruption. So this is from Hawaii's Kilauea volcano. It erupted maybe like just 1 year ago. So this one is probably the most recent active volcano in the world. So let's check this out. I'll put my sound on and then we'll talk about this afterwards. Okay, so I'm going to play this video.
Is your home bad internet? It's like photo by photo.
So there's some magma coming out.
Teacher, this is for us like photo by photo.
Marshmallow.
Look at, and the lava is now going into the ocean.
Marshmallow.
The heat, I would say it's what I'm feeling. I'm standing
Marshmallow.
away.
It looks like
About,
marshmallow.
130, 140 degrees Fahrenheit. And it's advancing to us. I think it's faster than a turtle can move.
Faster
Oh,
than a
look. It's going to eat the car.
my gosh, the car, the poor car, the person.
So this is one of the world's
I
most
think the car
active
has to go.
volcanoes. most active is it always
The
explodes.
car has to escape.
How will you escape in
It's
that
been erupting since 1983.
1983? Oh no, of the fence. Oh no, the fence.
Yeah, so it stops and it starts, and it doesn't always erupt, but it just it continually stops and starts. Okay, so that was the most
Hey, NBC News.
active volcano. Let's just take some notes here.
Haha. That's so
So
funny.
Mount, we're going to call it. Let's just, who can remember the spelling for me? Kilauea.
Where?
We're going to put that in our document here. So now that was the most active. Okay, so then we're going to go to the opposite, which is a dormant volcano. So how do you spell it? Kil, K-I-L. I'm going to try to spell it, and it should, the search engine should translate it correctly for me. K-I-L-A-U-E-A. Okay, excellent. So we're going to put that in our fact sheet quickly. So active. And we're going to say Kilauea in Hawaii. Now, who remember when did that start erupting?
19.
So Kilauea in Hawaii began erupting. What year did anybody notice? 1983.
1983, yes.
83. Now in 1983, can anybody guess how old Teacher Mark was in 1983?
I guess you're.
I don't know.
I was born in 1976. If I was born in 1976, how old was I when Kilauea started to erupt?
You were.
I don't know. But I think now you are very. I think now you are 1 million.
1 million. Oh my goodness, Boone. That's a lot. I wish I could be, if I could be 1 million years old. Now, so I was born in 1976, which means when this volcano began to erupt, I was 7. I was 7 years old.
Like me, I'm 7 now.
You're 7, so I was your age, Boone, when Kilauea began to erupt.
I'm 7 too. I told you you were some years old then.
I
am for the competition.
Fantastic. Now, look, I can see a really cool Roblox character. Is that Noah? Is that your Roblox avatar? Can someone help me with that? It's a girl with some love hearts on top of its head?
That's definitely not Noah or shit.
I think yes.
It is. It's Alicia. Is that your sister?
No lava, no danger.
That's Lita's.
Oh, that's Lita's avatar. Okay, cool, Lita.
No lava, no danger.
All right, now look, we found an active volcano. Does anybody know the opposite of a dormant volcano?
Dormant volcano example, the Mount Fuji. It's very beautiful view.
Okay, let's have a look. So dormant, that is not working. Dormant volcano. Dormant volcanoes in the world. Let's go and find. Oh yeah, you're right.
Fuji.
Mount Fuji is a dormant volcano.
Mount Fuji.
Fuji can go erupt, but not now.
Not yet. No, okay, I got you. So I want to know, when did Mount Fuji erupt? Let's find out. When was it active? I never knew Mount Fuji was a volcano.
It's a volcano.
How
I
did
thought- I think
how did,
yes. When I was younger, I thought Mount Fuji was just a mountain, not a volcano. But when I searched about Mount Fuji to have more information, I saw that it's the highest mountain, and yeah.
okay, that's really interesting because I never knew that Mount Fuji was a dormant volcano. Okay, so it tells us here, Mount Fuji
One
is
of
an
the
active
highest
volcano that last erupted. Okay, so it hasn't erupted.
in 1708.
1707. So that's let's do the maths on that one. I'm just going to put on here Mount. Now, what country is Mount Fuji again? Mount Fuji
Mount Fuji is in Japan
is
or
Japan.
I guess it's in Japan.
Where I'm
or
going to send my friends. I'm going to send my friends Juk to Japan today. But I don't think he lives near Mount Fuji. He lives in.
What we are talking
He
about?
lives in, he lives in Osaka, which I think is a little bit far from Mount Fuji.
Yes, quite.
So let's just get this last fact down. So Mount Fuji is an active volcano. Sorry, we're going to say was because it's no longer. Was an active stratovolcano that last erupted, or we can use the word exploded.
Osaki.
From 1701 to 1708. How many years ago was that, guys? Can someone tell me how many years ago 1701 was?
We have 2021.
Who's quick at maths?
How normally
Tell me what color we're gonna
have
make this one.
2021 and 17 to 20 is 3. 21 is that's a lot.
So let's say 1707 plus how many? Are we in 2021?
2021.
Plus 300. What's that get us to? That gets us to 2007.
7, yes.
So 300, and then we've got to add on. We're in 2021 here, so that's another 14. Okay, so I think it's 314 years ago.
Yes, it is 314.
Wow, so it's been dormant.
Really long.
314 years.
Dormant for 314 years. Okay. So that's Mount Fuji.
Finish eating.
Oh, who just finished eating?
Boon.
Oh, Boone. What did you eat?
Eat some rice and pork.
Oh, okay. So you were still I got you. You were still finishing off your breakfast. So I've just had my cup of coffee with inside my coffee I put coconut milk.
Coconut milk, that's not bad.
Yeah,
That's
it's
quite healthy.
I love eating milk.
milk is very good, and as we said before, we got good minerals in milk, like
Yes.
your calcium.
Yes,
I-
but I'm
You are
quite
talking about home.
I'm allergic to
Oh yes, I
cow.
do have that. I do have that to come up next.
Home. About home. You said we are going to learn about some parts of home.
Yes, that's true. We got stuck here on volcanoes. So what we're going to do, we're going to finish our volcano topic.
Whoa, that's a lot of information about volcanoes.
Yeah, I mean,
I think we will cover massive information of volcano.
we know everything about volcanoes now. So we know the dormant ones, the active ones. We know what comes out of them with minerals. And then we can move to our next topic.
Home. About home. About
Okay.
home.
So
About
let's
home.
go. Let's just
Fuji be a
Let me-
lucky mountain?
move this out of the way. Okay, that's good.
Sure. How can Mount Fuji be a lucky mountain? It's
A lucky
About
mountain.
home. Yay.
Yeah. Mount
Well, I
Fu
guess
is
it's
lucky, and G is mountain, so lucky mountain. Y is Mount Fuji. a
Oh, are
lucky
you saying that's what it translates to?
Yes.
Interesting. Okay.
Where is a home?
We are going into the home right now.
Kitchen? Nah.
We're going to go to this one
Are you
first,
playing a game?
and we will go to a game after this as well. Let's go quickly to open this one up.
Oh, I'm now very hungry. I'm waiting for my ice cream as dessert. I made ice cream, delicious ice cream.
Okay, can everybody see my screen?
Me. Me.
Okay, so we have
And
Wow.
lots of
Living
blue.
room.
let's go quickly and label these. Okay, so we're going to just put some colours here.
A living room. Lots of room.
Let's just go
I
and put some
cannot see.
colours
It's
here.
too
So
small. It's too small.
Ribbon room. I had a ribbon room.
let me, I will increase this. When I draw on this, I can't increase the
What
size.
do you mean a
unfortunately.
ribbon room?
So-
What do you mean ribbon room?
We got
I only
red.
have one room.
Not ribbon
So-
room. It's living room.
The first one I put red. Is that the living room, the house, the bathroom, the hall, the bedroom, or the
That's
kitchen?
the house. That's the house.
Okay, so that's red. Let's
house
go
is
to the
red.
next one.
Oh, it's hurting.
Green.
What is orange? What room is that?
That's not the best room.
Entrance room.
Let me see if I can get it bigger. Hold on.
That's also not the living room.
Yes, I see a living room, and I see.
Oh, it's the
So
hall.
the orange would be the bathroom, right?
Oh, no. It's the hall. It's the hall.
Let's go to the next one.
Blue.
What's blue? What room is that?
Living room.
Living room. Yes. Okay. Good work. Living room. And the next one, purple. Up here.
Room.
Bathroom. Where is bathroom? Oh. Oh, sorry. I made a mistake.
It's the hall.
Ah,
orange
okay. Thank
I
you.
think it's too light. It looks like white.
Oh, it looks like white. Okay.
Yes. You can make the room that
One is the
into
hall. It's the
purple, not light purple. I cannot see it.
Anyone listen to me. It's the hall. It's the
Yeah,
hall.
sorry, that was right. It was the hall. So I'll change it
Green.
around. This one would be the kitchen for brown.
To be green, the bedroom has to be green.
And okay, I'm gonna change it to green.
Green,
Green.
Green. No green. Not green. Not green.
Green, green,
I'll do
green,
green this time. I'll do green.
green.
And that is the bedroom. And now the hallway.
It's
This was-
green. Sleep is green.
Yes.
What color can I do the hallway?
The hall when you already put.
I
Oh.
think yellow.
I'm
Yellow.
gonna change that to black.
Already put.
And there it is. Okay. All right, so we know what rooms are what. Let me just get it bigger now, and we're going to go through. Okay, so can everybody see that a bit better?
Yes, I can see that a bit better.
Yes.
Okay.
Don't zoom too much because if you zoom too much, we cannot see it.
Yeah, no, that's fine. So,
But this is fine. This is good.
all right, so let's go to the first object. A, it's a sink. Where are the
A.
sinks?
Sinks.
In
Sink.
the bathroom. The sink in the bathroom.
Okay, next one, toilet.
Toilet is
Bathroom.
also in the bathroom.
Okay, good. So I can see that. Hold on, let me
Bathroom.
hold on. I know what I was doing wrong. I can use Zoom to
What is
annotate.
happening? I think.
So what I want you to do, guys, once
happening.
you, so we've circled the toilet. How about the next one? Picture. Object C, picture. Where is the picture?
In the living room.
Sure.
Bedroom.
Living room.
Yeah, so I can see, yep, good. So thanks, Finia. We've got one in the living room.
And one in the bedroom. Wow.
Not
And we've got
one.
two in
a lot.
the bedroom. Okay, next we've got door. That's an easy one.
In the hallway.
Door, yeah, door in the hallway. We've got a door on the fridge, a door on the house.
Not a door on the fridge, but a door on the fridge can be good.
Yeah, so actually you have a lot of doors here. You got doors on your cupboards in the kitchen. We've got doors. Yeah, a lot of doors. Next one, pillow. Where are the pillows?
Pillows are in the
In
bedroom.
the bedroom.
Okay,
In
good.
the
So
bedroom.
Sorry, I'm
One
doing it a little
second,
bit messy.
just,
I'm doing with the mouse.
I'll
And
just
I
clear
think-
off all the drawings for now.
Workshop.
In the
Pillow.
living room. A
Now the
curtain
living room, we
on the
probably,
living room.
so guys, for the word pillow, we wouldn't have it on the sofa. That would be called cushions.
Oh,
Bedroom.
right.
Cushion.
Yeah, a little bit different to a
Bedroom.
pillow. So it looks like the only
Bedroom.
pillow we have is on the bed. Can anyone else? Am I missing a pillow?
Yes.
Sometimes you would put a pillow on your sofa, but this sofa looks like it doesn't have any pillows.
Yes.
Now, next one is G for poster.
The poster. Oh,
It's in the kitchen.
Poster. Now, the thing about
poster. This
Pressure.
so look, poster is very similar. Yeah. So over here, we could call them pictures,
Kitchen.
but they are officially posters, just made of paper usually. That's it. So there we have them in the bedroom.
I think. What? A toaster in the bedroom?
Next one, H, garden.
what?
Garden. Where is the garden?
The
Outside the house. Outside the house.
Outside of the house. Yeah, I've circled it in orange. That is all of the garden on the outside. Good one. Next one, we've got the mirror. Where's the mirror? How many mirrors do we have?
Oh, we have 2 mirrors.
Two mirrors on the sink and
Oh yeah, maybe over here is a mirror too.
How?
How? And there we've
And
got a
in
mirror in our
living room.
hallway. Any
Guys,
mirrors in the
everyone-
bedroom? Can anyone see a mirror in the
No,
bedroom?
no mirrors in the bedroom.
No, I can't see a mirror in the bedroom at all. All right, let's see.
pictures on here.
Next one, let's go to bath. That's an easy one. Bathtub over here.
Oh, bathtub is right
Bathtub
there.
is in the bathtub is in the
Bathroom.
bathroom.
Good. The bathtub is in the bathroom. Next one, cooker.
And bathroom, bathtub.
So we got
Boat.
We've got
Paper.
cooker.
Boat.
Where's the
Boat.
cooker?
Boat.
The
The
cooker.
cooker would be in the kitchen, right?
Is this the cooker?
The cooker, would this be the cooker would be also called the oven.
Oh yeah.
So yeah,
We all-
most people would call it the oven, but in this picture they're calling it a cooker.
Oven. And a microwave.
We're going to L. L is a hanger.
Oh, it's a hanger.
Where is the hanger? This is a bit more of a more difficult one. The
This one
hanger.
of a hanger.
My
Is this a
friend.
hanger?
A curtain.
The hanger. This is a bit of a tough one.
Oh.
I think it's here.
And a curtain.
There is the hanger. That someone has put their jacket on the hanger.
I guess what I made was a curtain, right? Are
And
these-
Now,
I think it's just hang the clothes.
Yes.
yeah, correct. That's exactly right, guys. So
Close.
usually, sorry, I'll just clear this one off. So
Again.
usually when we use the word hanger, everybody would think about a clothes hanger.
Stop saying again.
What is it, a curtain?
So, a hanger means a hanger is also a place that has aeroplanes inside it.
Helicopter.
Yeah.
That's we have
Cutter.
an aircraft hangar, and then we have one for clothes. So that's your typical hanger.
Oh, that's a typical hanger. Yes.
That's a
yes.
typical hammer. The
Yeah.
other one that we've got in our picture would be we'd call it jacket hanger. Let's have a look at the difference. Yeah, so here would be your typical jacket hanger. Very different to the clothes hanger, but they're all called hangers.
Oh,
Okay, so we've got hanger. So we've only got one here.
Sometimes you don't need to talk. You can close your mind.
Okay, let's go to the next one. Sofa. That's an easy one. Did someone
Ribbon room.
living room? We got two sofas. Fridge. Where's the fridge? Or the kitchen. Yeah, that's right. Well done. We've got a yellow fridge with two doors. What's
One
this?
is
thing?
the-
Oh, I see. We could label them if we could put the
House.
left on the circle. House. Good. Who can tell me what time is it in the kitchen? Can anybody guess what time is showing on the clock in the kitchen?
the long one is at 11. The short
11
one
o'clock.
One.
Or two.
Oh, it's not
Yeah.
11 o'clock.
11
It's not-
o'clock.
No, it's not 11 o'clock because none of those are at 12.
Yeah, look, the little hand looks like it's almost at 2 and the big hand on 11. So what time is that?
11:10 o'clock. 11:10 o'clock.
Okay, good effort, Paul. My guess is my guess is 1:55.
Yes, I guess it's also 1:55.
Yeah, 1:55, but it is quite small, so not easy to figure out that one. Let's go to the next one. Steps. Where are the
I'm-
steps?
I'm hungry.
Who can find me some steps? Do we
I
know
have
what
the-
steps are?
Outside the house. Outside the house.
Outside.
I know where it is. I know where it is.
Go on. I think Paul might have got that right.
Outside the house.
Outside of the house.
It's outside the house.
Let's have a look. Do they look
I
like?
think
Let's
it's in outside.
Outside the house.
Outside the house. Outside the
steps,
house.
okay. So there's some logic
Outside the
steps. Let's go back.
Look like
Yeah.
this one.
There's a whole bunch of nice steps. And we're going to clear that off. So we've got a lamp. So we're going down to P, lamp, L-A-M-P. It's dark in here. Can you please turn on the lamp? How many lamps do we have? Well done, Crystal. We got one in the living room, a purple lamp.
Bedroom.
And the bedroom has also got a bedside lamp. Yeah, I can see it, the yellow glow.
And a man in the living room.
Yeah, got you. So one lamp in the living room, a purple
And
one,
a living room.
and a yellow one in the bedroom. Any else? Any lamps anywhere else? No, I can't see any.
No. I see a lot on in
So let's go to the next one. Curtains. How many curtains do we have in these rooms?
How
many curtains?
How many
Living
curtains?
room. Living room.
Living room?
In the living room. I see
Living
a
room. Living room.
Okay, so here we go. We've got looks like a pink,
yeah.
some pink colored curtains.
Come on.
Good job. So pink colored curtains. Okay, let's just clear off our drawings and start on our next one. It's a cupboard. How many cupboards do we have?
Here's my cupboard with a mirror to see ourselves.
Yeah, so okay, so that's one cupboard in the bathroom,
One
Kitchen room. Kitchen
two
room.
cupboards in the kitchen. We got two cupboards. We got a cupboard in the bedroom. And well done. Who circled that one in the hallway? That's another cupboard.
That's me.
Oh, yeah, and then sorry, yeah, Phineas found one. And also we have a, I don't know if we could call it a cupboard in the living room. That's more like a, I guess it's a TV cupboard. Yeah, that's a cupboard. All right, let's go to the next one, which is the letter S, chimney. Where is the chimney?
Outside the house.
Yes.
The house.
Who can tell me, what does a chimney do?
Get the smoke out of the hole.
Correct. Yeah.
In the fireplace.
Yep, correct. In a fireplace or maybe in a kitchen, you're going to take the smoke out of your house up into the sky.
Because it will be too stinky if you keep it in the house.
Correct. So you need a chimney to get rid of that smelly smoke smell. Who knows the very famous person who comes down the chimney?
Santa Claus. Santa Claus.
Santa Claus, yeah, it's very famous for coming down.
And then Santa Claus come down to the chimney and he go down into the kitchen.
Correct, yeah, and drops off the presents for the kids.
Yes, but I thought
In the kitchen.
I thought it was the wolf from the Three Little Pigs. I thought
Oh,
it was
that's a
the
good
wolf.
point. Yeah, that's also
Yes.
the big bad wolf in the Three Little Pigs story. I think tries to come down the kitchen chimney and
And then they
tries to
just
scare the little piglets. All right, let's go to the next one. What are we up to? We're up to the letter T. T for towel. Who knows what that means? What's a towel? Where can we find some towels?
clothes. Mostly you
For
find towels
wiping.
in the bathroom, but I don't. Oh, here, right. Here.
Oh yeah, so there I can see a towel. Anywhere else? Any towels?
Normally towels
No.
are only in the
Living room.
Do we have a towel in the living room?
Oh, where's the towel?
Guys, what are these things? Can you tell me?
I see it.
Bedroom. Bedroom.
Oh, Crystal. was
Kitchen
that-
room.
Guys, good
Living
spotting.
room.
Good spotting. We've got a towel hanging on the fridge. That's a good one.
towel hanger. Oh, I also have thousands of towels on the kitchen for sometimes to wash myself, sometimes to clean the things and
Dry the
sometimes-
dishes. Yeah, you'll have a kitchen towel. You'll have a bath towel. You might have a car towel if you're gonna wash your car, you
I
don't
also
use,
have a car towel.
yeah, you don't want to use your bath towels or your home towels, so you use like a car towel, you know, to keep it separate because you don't want that other stuff being used for food or for your body. Next one, wardrobe. Now this was different to cupboard. So wardrobe and cupboard. How many wardrobes do we have?
Bedroom.
Bedroom, yeah. So
Bedroom, a big one.
yeah, it's a big wardrobe. We'd put our clothes on hangers and put them in the wardrobe. Next one, wash basin.
Wash basin.
Wash
That's
basin.
wash basin.
Or,
Wash basin in the kitchen.
That
yeah, so
What
I
is
think
a
that the term wash basin may be more just for the bathroom. I think in the kitchen we'd call it a
What
sink.
is
A wash basin is very similar to a sink. It's just more for you know, washing yourself. So we call it a
Washing
wash basin.
room.
Very good. So yeah, bathroom would have our wash basin. Umbrella stand. Did anybody find the umbrella stand?
the umbrella
stand. Doorway.
In the doorway.
Yeah, doorway or hall. We call it the hallway.
Yes.
Yeah, so umbrella stand. If your umbrellas are wet, you can put them in that umbrella stand to not wet your house. The last one, we have some. We have the word rug. R-U-G. How many rugs?
What
We got a
is
few
a
rugs.
rug?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Bedroom.
In the
So, yeah,
bedroom too.
let's go. We count them. We got 2 rugs in the bedroom.
Ripping room. Ripping room.
Big rug. We got it. Yeah, good one.
In
Paul.
the
Big rug in the hall. We
Living
got rug in the living room.
and the
That's a very big one in
and
the
the 2
Living room.
Yeah, a little rug.
bedroom. A
rug
2
in the
rug.
This one is the living room.
I can see a little rug in the kitchen. Now, the one in the bathroom, we're not going to call this a rug. It could be a rug, but what's the better name for it?
What is a rug?
I don't know.
So
like a foot towel. It's like a
I
foot
would
towel.
call it a bath mat.
Yes, a bath mat, right. I
Bath
forgot
Bath
about
mat. Okay, now, who can find something on these pictures that that wasn't listed in A to X? What else have we got?
Windows, of course, windows.
Windows. Okay, very good. So let's just get a few other little items
That
here.
I think windows and a picture frame and some book in the
Oh, yeah,
bathtub.
what was that one? The sun.
Teacher, what is this one? What is this one?
Oh,
Peter.
little window.
Table.
there.
Table.
Peter, where is it?
Peter.
Oh, let me,
From this
Teacher.
from the part.
Teacher in the bedroom. Teacher
one
in the
sec,
bedroom.
guys. So,
Oh, I think she's in the bedroom.
Teacher in the bedroom.
oh, yep. So we've got a
Oh,
guitar,
I see it.
I see the boat. I see the boat.
a boat.
A boat in the bathroom. In the
Oh,
bathtub.
okay, yeah, good. So we've got a boat. Now, I'm gonna. So,
Some powder. Some
guys, who was
powder.
asking about this one? Who was asking about? There was one in
Kiwi.
the house.
Kiwi.
Wait, let's have a look. This
Kiwi
one.
is the living room.
What's in the living room? Oh, yeah, the TV. There we go. Well done,
Ah,
TV.
I think it's. I thought Pa said seaweed.
Oh, okay. So, what else have we got? Let's go through. I've got a good one.
Bread.
A bread.
Oh, well done. We found some bread. We found some
bread.
bread. Now,
Table in the kitchen.
guys, who knows what this one is? It's sitting above your kitchen.
It's a stove or something.
I think it's the little sibling. It's where we get the smoke and go up to the chimney.
Okay, 1 second, guys. I just got to answer the delivery driver. Hold on. Okay, so I'm going to come back in 1 minute and you guys tell me what else you can find. And I want you to tell me what the name is above what's the silver thing above the oven? I'll just finish off.
I think it's the
Pin.
and it will go.
We missed one picture at the back.
Like this, and the smoke go up because this goes out, and it go up into the clouds and make
Yeah,
a
so
cloud.
we're going to call this exhaust fan. Exhaust fan. That's the one when you cook in the inside oven, you're going to turn it on. It's going to take all of the cooking smell up to the chimney or up to the outside. Okay, so we've got
Because it should always smell stinky.
so we found a picture frame. We found, what else do we find? Bread.
I don't know.
I found one. Who can tell me what this is? Let's have a look here. Down the bottom here, it's a little blue. A little blue.
I found a big tree.
What's this down here?
Like it's with a little one and a scoop. Now I'm very, 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 very hungry.
This one would be a dustpan. You know, the little dustpan that it's like a little scooper that you put in you brush in.
I found another one. I found another one. This one is also quite famous.
Oh yeah, Phinia, good find. What's Phinia found there? That's what are we going to call that? What Phinia just found?
Mirror.
Mirror, but what's next to the toilet? I think we're going to have to call that a toilet brush.
Yes, it's a toilet.
Or a toilet cleaner. Okay, well done. That's a good find. Okay, one last thing. Has anybody got something else that we can say that we have?
Think this is a plant.
Oh, okay, good. So we found a plant. P-L-A-N-T. We found a plant. Okay, that's a lot. So let's
On the refrigerator.
Wait, I found
on the
another.
refrigerator. Oh yeah, we've got two plants. We got one on the refrigerator, and we've got one sitting in the living room.
Right here too.
Broom in the kitchen. Broom in the kitchen. Broom in the kitchen.
Here's a room.
Ah,
kitchen.
good. We've got a
Here's
broom.
a room. Here's a
Broom
room.
in the kitchen.
I can see the broom in the kitchen.
Funny.
I found a trash in the kitchen.
What do you think? What about what's sitting up here on top of the cupboards? What do we call those?
Those are like ingredients or something. I always put ingredients in my cupboard.
What would we call them? Does anybody have a name for those containers?
I don't
Some
know.
oil and some
Jars. We call them jars. So, example, pass me the jar of flour.
Pig.
So jars are also known as
ว่าอยากต้องการ slash ด้วย
containers. Okay, so guys, good job. That was all about our furniture.
I didn't close the mic.
Various rooms. What we're going to do, I'm going to go find a quick game fast on Kahoot,
Yahoo!
and then we're going
A game.
we'll go and find a game, and we're going to play a game before we finish off today.
Let's have a game. Let's have a game.
So we're going to do a game relating to house and furniture, just the same thing we just looked at then. Let me just log in.
There's a TV. Teacher, there's a TV in the classroom.
Good, yeah. I think someone found the TV. So we had that one.
There's a TV
Yes.
I'm sure we missed
So
out
where's the
something,
game?
actually. I'm sure we missed out something.
Where is the game? Huh? What do you miss?
I don't think we missed many, but I'm sure there might be one or two things that we might have missed. Okay, so house and furniture.
Does the equal?
Okay, so
Beep, 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 beep.
20 questions. Okay, so I'm just going to look for this one. Okay, so I found a game. Is everybody ready?
Ready.
Who do we have? We've got, let's go through the class. Let's go through our classroom here. Everybody's on their blue chairs. I've got Phineas sitting next to me. I've got Boone. I've got Paul. I've got Crystal.
Boone and Phineas. Stay together.
I've got Luke. Now, Phineas, don't be pushing your neighbor there. Now, Crystal, I can see you. Who else is in the classroom? We've got Chen. Are you still there? Or we've got Luke.
Couldn't just come in.
All right. Now I'm going to share my screen and we're going to begin our game. Okay. Are you ready? I'm going to share my screen now. We're going to play. It's parts of the house and furniture. So we've got...
Ready? Ready? Go. Play game. Play game.
What's going to be our team name?
Super house.
Super
House.
house kids. Super house kid.
Yes, I think like that. It would be so good.
Okay, let's play parts of the house. 3, 2, 1. Look at the picture and choose the correct word.
Bathroom is the green one.
Good. Okay, so that was an easy one. Okay. Oh, we weren't the fastest. Let's be faster next time. Are we ready? 2.
Kitchen.
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 All right. What do we got there? We got some knives. We got a bowl. We got a sink. We got some cupboards. So we learned all those words. Shimmer is still in front of us. Let's go. Question 3. What do we got here? We got a ladder. We got bunk beds. We got a pillow. We got a bookshelf. We got a
And a lap.
Double bed. It's a double bed. It's a double bed.
I want me to win.
It's a bunk bed. Let's see. Shimmer's. Oh no, we got the same score as Shimmer. So let's be quick on the next one. Ready? Question 4. Living room. Okay, we got 2 lamps. We got a plant. We got a bookshelf.
A living room.
Okay, good.
Quickly, just come out, quickly.
Okay, question 5. Question 5. Quick, what is it?
It's a kitchen. Dining room.
So this one is a dining room where we actually have our dinners and lunches and eat. Next, I think we have got it. Okay, dining room, number 6. Question 6 is, what's this one?
I don't know.
Garden, yard, stairs. We're going to go fix our car. You can see the car getting repaired. Garage. Yes. So take your car to get fixed at the garage.
Small picture.
Okay, yeah, it was very small.
Right?
Next one.
Bed.
Okay, that was an easy one. Bed. Next one. Question 8. Question 8. Oh, what's this one?
Fire.
Shower.
Shower.
Shower head.
It's a shower. It's a shower.
Yeah, it's a shower head. It's got
That
lots
was
of
a hard one.
pointy little spikes on it. Okay, question 9. Okay, armchair, shower, sink, desk. Yeah, so desk. That's your work desk or your computer desk or your homework desk. Question 10. Okay, stove, sink, fridge. Stove, S-T-O-V, stove, oven. Very good. So we've got our stove. Okay, it might be getting a bit harder now. Let's have a look. Question 11. And what's the red and the white thing on top of the table? What do we call that?
Blowing cloth. Yes, I know this. Oh, I forgot.
Click the blue button.
Tablecloth. Okay, next. That was a tablecloth on the table.
We are ready.
Question 12. Here we go.
It's question 13.
Armchair. It's an armchair.
Armchair. Okay, yep, armchair. You put that in your living room. Question 13.
Bookshelf.
Now, booklet, shelf, yellow, shelf. That's it. That's a shelf. So it looks like a bookshelf, but also just a general shelf. You could put anything there. Question 14. Make fan. Okay, it's hot. Put the fan on. Question 15. Fridge, toilet, shower, sink. Okay, we got our sink. Next.
We are ready. We are ready so much.
I think we're going to win this very well. Okay, next one. You know that one? Fridge or refrigerator.
Let's do it. Okay.
Okay, next one. Question 17.
Yeah, I could do it. 18, 19, 20.
The chair.
Yeah, that's just a kitchen chair. Or maybe a desk chair. Question 18. 18. A TV, and they're watching, looks like Channel 3 News, and there's the news reader. So TV, that was an easy one. Question 19.
Wow, Christmas coming up. Watching us.
Okay, so yeah, put on your clothes in the wardrobe, please. I've washed your clothes, hang them up on the hangers. Question 20.
The last one.
Don't get
Mirror. Well done, guys. Okay, so we won that easily, I think. So Nancy came third. Gemma came second. And in first place is House Kids. Well done.
20 out of 20. Amazing.
20 out of 20. Yeah, we were very good at that one.
Yay!
Okay, guys, that's excellent. So
I know my house.
thank you for joining today.
Bye.
And have a great Wednesday and a good week. And I'll see you all next week. Okay.
It's no one congratulating about the
Nice day, teacher Mark.
Yeah, thank you, Paul. You too, guys. Have a lovely day and talk to you next time, okay? Bye. Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Oak. Take care. Bye.
Byeครับ